Hey guys, Tiarralashay here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have something a bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my press-on nails. Now note, I am not a professional, but it is something that I've learned during quarantine. So first thing that you'll need are some press-on nails. I have gotten my press-on nails off of Amazon. I'm just showing you the 3 different sets that I have. I have a shorter pair of stiletto nails. I have a set of ballerina nails, and then I also have a set of clear stiletto nails. The set that I'm going to be using today are going to be the ballerina nails, and I will actually link each set of nails that I'm showing you guys here down in the description box. So what I'm doing now is just sizing each nail to my particular natural nail to make sure that they fit on my nail beds. You want to make sure that you do this for each finger. And just a tip, if it seems like you're in between sizes, I recommend always going with the smaller size, so that way your nail won't be clunky looking. I don't know if that makes much sense, but you guys may know what I'm talking about if you're familiar with looking at press-ons. Now that I've gotten them all sized out, I'm going to take them and apply them on my stand. You can get the stand off of Amazon, and I will also link that down in the description box. So next you'll need a buffer and a filer. And what I'm doing with the nail file is I'm just filing off the tips of my press-ons. For some reason, all of the press-ons come with this little white extra piece at the top, and I'm just using the file to get rid of that. Luckily with these ballerina nails, I love the shape. They fit perfectly. The length is perfect. I don't have to do much manipulating at all. I just have to get rid of that little white tip. Now I'm just gonna take the buffing cube and I am just going to buff the nails. As you can see, once I finish buffing it, it just takes that clear layer off of the top of the nails. This just allows the gel polish to stick much easier. Then last prep step is I'm going to just spray my nails with some alcohol and just wipe off the nails just to get rid of any residue that may have happened from the filing and the buffing. So now you'll need to get yourself a UV light and also a base coat. So the UV light that I'm using is a SUV, I believe. I'll link it down in the description box. Got it from Amazon. And I'll be using the Beatles base coat. So I'm simply just going to apply a layer of the base coat on each of my nails. And then once I get through one hand, I'll just stick it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So that way it can cure. So for my colors today, I'm going to be using colors 806 and 805. The color 806 is what I'm currently applying to the nails. It is like a nice pinky mauve color. I just think it is so pretty, so pretty. So as you can see, I'm just applying that on all of the nails. And once I've gotten the color applied to all of the nails, I will once again cure the nails for 60 seconds. Now for my nails, I did do 2 layers of the polish. And once I finished with the 2 layers, I went ahead and I took the 805 color, which is this nice shimmery shade. It's like glitter and it has some of those same mauve colors, pinky tones in it. And I'm applying that to both of the ring fingers for the nails. For this coat, I do put 2 coats on this, and anytime I'm using a glitter shade like this, I do like to still have some color at the bottom, just so that way the nail tends to shimmer more and it just looks a little bit more opaque. So then I'm going to take some gems and I'm going to add some bedazzle to my nails. And so you'll need some gems, and then you'll also need a wax pen so that way you're able to pick up the gems, and some adhesive. I'm going to be using the Mia's Secret adhesive. There's a brush on adhesive and then a spray that kind of sets it, and so I'm just brushing on and then picking up the gems and applying it to the nail. So I'm going to be bedazzling the pinky finger and the pointing finger. And what I do is I apply the gems, and then once I apply the gems, I will take the spray and I will spritz the nail to set the glue. Good thing about those adhesives is that you do not need to cure them. The spray actually sets the glue and sets the gems in place. I will say this is one of the better glues that I've used so far off of Amazon. I've only tried this one and then another one that came into a set, and I will say this one is just much more reliable. And sorry guys, when I was doing this, I was starting to get out of frame. It's my first nail video, and I promise I'm gonna work on this. Like I said, I'm not a professional, just a person that wanted to learn how to do this during quarantine. All right, so from here, I decided that I wanted to use some nail foil. So I have my nail foil glue and then a nice rose gold nail foil as well. So what I'm gonna do is just take the nail foil glue and just apply a layer of it on my middle finger, and I'm going to cure that in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. You don't want to leave this too long or it'll dry and you won't be able to apply the nail foil. All right, so from here I figured I wanted to add a little bit of nail foil on my thumbs, so I'm just applying the nail glue on the corner and doing the same curing method of curing it for 30 seconds. And then I will place the nail foil on the corners of those nails, just to kind of tie the look all together. So from here, I'm pretty much done with the design portion of it. So I'm just going to take the Beatles top coat and just apply that to the nails. And then I will cure it for 90 seconds this time, just to make sure that everything is nice and set. And that completes it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comment section. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.